Hello guys, my name is David and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, I'm going to share with you the thing that I wish I knew before I went to the university to study computer science. Yes, there are some certain things that I honestly wish someone told me as a computer science student before, I chose to study this particular course. It would have made my life way better and then easier. But I didn't get that opportunity, so I'm sharing what I feel I was supposed to know with you. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So computer science is more math. It has more math than the other aspects. Yes, it doesn't also mean that if you're not a math genius, you can't do computer science. You just have to be willing to think mathematically, because everything that you're going to do is, even the coding that you're going to do is all for problem solving. And math is all about solving problems. So to be a computer science student, you have to be able to think logically and then solve mathematical problems. You're going to face subjects like linear algebra, probability and statistics, discrete math, integral, and then differentiation, a lot of math, algorithms, and then complexity. Yes, you're going to do all those courses, and they are not different. They are not very, very, different from what you learned from high school. They are similar. Most of them are actually the same that you are learning there. They don't even add anything to it. Most of them are the same, like the integral, and then they explain why this is called integration, why this is called differentiation, not just how to differentiate. They explain why, and then the how to. Yes. The next one is that coding is just the easy part of computer science. It's not all about coding, like I said. It's all about solving problems. So if you know how to code, it's a plus for you. But if you don't know how to code, I didn't know how to code before I went to the university. I did biology at high school, but then I chose to do computer science in the university. So I had no idea about how to code. But then I'm still doing well in computer science. So if you don't know how to code, it doesn't mean that you're not going to do well in computer science. You can learn it. I mean, there are so many platforms that you can actually, even on YouTube here, you can actually search for, I'll leave them in the comment section, names of websites and then channels that you can learn how to code any program. So we started with C++. I think that's the mother of all program languages. Then we went to CSS, then Java, HTML. Yes. So if you don't know how to code, don't be worried. But then you should learn how to code, because they are not going to teach you every single thing in the classroom, in the lecture hall. They are not going to teach you everything that you're supposed to know about coding. They're just going to help you understand what is behind the codes, because most of the codes are, I think the highest you could understand is the high language programs. And then, you can read one or few things from the raw code. But most of them, like the assembly languages, you can't really understand them. But then computer science, as a computer science student, your lecturers are going to help you to understand them the way that your computer to understand whatever you type, how the system works, So, you'll be good to go. The next one is, and I forgot, even if you know how to code, there are going to be, this is not like the normal, unless you are very, very good. And I trust my students. I trust the people who are watching me. I know that you are very, very good at coding and all that. So you should, focus on one particular program, build on it, because most of them are, related to each other. If you understand Python, you can understand other languages too. They give you fair idea about them. The next one is that sometimes, especially when coming from a biological background, like a biology student, and someone coming from someone who did IT in SHS, is going to, of course, have an upper hand in one way or the other when it comes to. So sometimes most of the things that they are going to teach you in class are going to be confusing. You might feel dumb for not knowing what they are talking about. But then as time goes on, everything will start making sense to you. I don't even have to tell you this, because a cat it cut across most of the courses. Yeah. Since most of the people did something related to the course that they are doing in the university right now, of course, they're going to understand it. And you that didn't do anything that you are currently doing in the university right now, you're going to, have some challenges. But if you are willing to, learn, of course, you're going to get it. Because people get it faster. People don't get it as fast as other people. Yes. I mean, that's how life is. The next one is computer science is not just for software development. People think that, hey, you are doing computer science, then you're coming to, so after school, you're coming to build websites, and it's part of it, but not entirely. A computer science student can become a data scientist, a cybersecurity. You can even venture into AI and then machine learning, research, system engineering, product and tech management. Like the list goes on and on and on and on and on. But you must explore and then specialize early. You should know what you want to specialize in because computer science is very broad. I know people in my school who go straight to learn cybersecurity. So those people know what they want. But then even if I wanted to learn cybersecurity, I would have still done the computer science that I'm doing. Then after university, I'll branch to cybersecurity because computer science, give you access to so many courses. Data science, Internet of Things, most of the things. Yes. So you can branch. But then a cybersecurity student can't know everything that a computer science student knows. But then you can easily also branch. I know they'll come and fight me in the comment section, but yeah. Also, the next one is you must learn outside the classroom. You can't depend on your lecturers. So this one actually goes for all the courses. You cannot depend on your lecturers. They are just doing like 10% of what you are supposed to do, what is required of you. Most of the things that they are going to teach you, they are just going to teach you the surface of it. And you are supposed to dig deeper into whatever they teach you in class, because whatever they say in this particular period or session will not be repeated in the next session, and they expect you to know more. Yes, so you can use AI, websites. Most of the things that you need are actually online. Just don't want to search for it or something. But yeah, you'll find people who are willing to learn, and then you bond with them, and then you go on. So you should really, it's even a must. You must learn outside the classroom, especially coding. You must learn how to code outside the classroom. The teacher will come and teach you syntax, semantics, and those things. That's not enough. When you go home, practice. Most of you who don't know how to code at all, like when I went to level high, I didn't know how to code at all. When the lecturer started teaching us how to code, I was like, then the thing is not really difficult. You just have to, practice. And it was true. I wasn't practicing it. I think for the whole first semester, I wasn't practicing. But then the exams humbled me. I still got an A though. But then I could have done better. I did Papa. I did chew and pour for the exams. And then I was able to write. But then I feel like if I had taken it serious, the practice and other stuff, I would have done way better. Because I got an A- in programming. But then what I'm trying to tell you is that know how to learn outside the classroom. Because if you are able to discipline yourself to learn how to code, learn how to do this, learn how to do that, taking other courses, that will help you to, taking other courses from websites like W3 Schools, Khan Academy, a lot of websites, they offer free courses that will help you to, be a better computer science student. So you are always one step ahead or 5 steps ahead of your classmates or course mates. Yeah, so you should definitely learn outside the classroom, and then you should get internships. You should, find projects that you will start working on. One thing that I'm currently doing that I know is going to help me is that I'm currently level 200, but then I've started working on my final year project, and it's going to help me. So when we get to level 300 or level 400, that my classmates or course mates have started to are now started to think about what they want to do as their final project work, I'll be one step ahead because I started thinking about it in level 200. I know some people also started thinking about it before they even started university. The earlier the better. Honestly, the earlier the better. So And the truth is that your degree will only open the doors for you. It's just going to open he holds a first class degree in computer science. So that one will open doors for you. But what will do the work for you, or what will get you hired, is the skills. And the skills are not on the certificate. The skills are in you. What you learn is what is important. That is what is going to get you hired. You can have a first class student, a first class certificate as a computer science student, and you will not be able to do what a level 200 computer science student will do, because he has more skills than you do. Then time management. I attend Ghana Telecom, and then comparing my timetable to the timetable of other students who are learning computer science in various schools, I think we have the most flexible timetable. I have classes 3 times a week: Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So the rest of the days in between, you can actually use them to build your skills, learn more about what is being taught in class, and even learn more about what you want to specialize in. I want to specialize in AI and then machine learning. So any small time that I get, I try to, learn, take courses, free courses on, different websites to help me better myself. So by the time you are done with your degree, you also know a lot about the field that you want to go into. Yes, and it's going to really, really help you. Yes. And then the truth about getting first class is that most of the schools, the exams take 60% and then the class score takes 40%. Yes, and the class score is all about your group work, assignment, because the truth about assignment is that the earlier you start, the better. If the assignment is given to you today, make sure you start today. If you can finish today and submit it. Because if you keep piling them, they become plenty and you tend to do them anyhow you want it, because you need to submit it. Some people end up not even doing it at all. And then you are not going to, because the class score is what is going to help you. Trust me, the exams is nowhere near what was taught in the classroom, unless you do, a bit of study on your own. That's the brutal truth. I'm being honest with you. Yes, I'm being honest with you. Take your assignment seriously. Do it the same day. That even if your class ends at 11 a.m. and then your next class is around 1 p.m., use the period in between to do the assignment and submit it. I'm telling you the truth. The earlier you do the assignment, the better for you. Also, the truth about computer science. I've said the truth. The truth about computer science is that it can be mentally exhausting, because you're going to, staring at your computer for like 5 hours, trying to find where to debug, trying to debug the code that you've written. But you're even struggling to find the line that has the error in it. Of course, there are AIs that will help you, but then I don't think that's the best. You should, you shouldn't really rely on AI. You should try and do everything on your own. Unless it's very extreme, then you go to the AI. But yes, so debugging and other stuff will actually, exhaust your mind. But then it's all for the best. It's training you gradually. And then one thing that people won't tell you is that passion matters more than the motivation. A lot of you choose computer science because most of the millionaires and billionaires in our current world did computer science in colleges and universities. That's why you are also choosing computer science. Of course, there's a lot of money in computer science, but then money shouldn't be the reason why you are going to study computer science. You should have the passion for it, because if you have the passion and it's even straining you, you don't get to feel the stress, because you love the thing that you are doing. You get it? And then whenever you have to sit down and then study, you know that you are doing it for the best. You are doing to help humanity, right? We are solving problems. You are problem solvers. So you are solving problems to help the next generation or the current generation. And that's how the universe works. The more problem you solve, the more money you attract. That's just the truth, right? So you should be more passion driven than the motivation. The motivation, most of them is money, right? Yes. And the last one is computer science is worth it if you stay committed to it fully. computer science is going to change your life. It's going to change. You are going to meet amazing people in the university, people who know how to code already. I think I met someone in first year, first sem. Yes. And apparently the person has built an app for a church that gave him, I think he didn't really charge because he was young, but then the church gave him 50,000 cedis. That's like $5,000. As young as he is, you can start investment with it. I mean, there are people who are done with their degrees and then they don't have that amount of money. But him being in level 100, knowing how to code and making money from it, that's not the only thing he has done, by the way. But it's actually impressive. He actually made me feel like, oh, Charlie, what about this course? Not for me. But the truth is, if you stay committed to computer science, you're going to make it big time. Because the world is full of problems. You just have to know how to find one, how to solve it, and how to monetize it. That's the truth. Stay committed to computer science. Yes. Is there anything that you want me to talk about? You can leave it in the comment section, and then yes, I'll talk about it the next time that we meet. I've been honest to you, and I know if you stayed with me throughout the video, you know that this is going to be of help to you, especially those who are now going to enter the university to study computer science today. Computer science, Jesus, I'm exhausted. I've been coding the whole day. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and then share. See you, and then see you. Bye.